Hi everyone, this is Joanne, and today I want to show you how I normally clean my Kenzans. Well, after using them, the best is to wash them and rinse them immediately. Get a brush, give them a good scrub. Well, the key is you want to get a brush that has some bristles that are taller or longer than the height of your needle, so you can be sure you can get to the bottom of the base of the needles, and you can get the bottom part clean too. This one I got from a shop that they sell these brushes for general cleaning, and this one has a bit of metal at the front that will help to further scrub the metal needles, which I found it very handy, because if you want to, you can actually buy these from some specialty ikebana store that is all metal, and it'll comb through your Kenzan to get rid of dead leaves or stems that are stuck on the needle. They're very good, but it's not something that you can easily get. And this brush, I mean, if you can easily get these for dishwashing, for other purpose or multi-purpose cleaning. It might not come with the metal part in front, but still the plastic part will clean your Kenzans very good in general. Just put them in a bit of soapy water and give it a good scrub. That will usually do. Recently I've also purchased some eucalyptus cleaning products which are multi-purpose, and I've tried on them and it works pretty well as well. Some people might use a bit of vinegar so that it helps to clean and keep them shiny, but my recommendation is make sure you always rinse them properly, no matter it's multi-purpose cleaner or dishwashing liquid, because you don't want any of the residue there when you use them again in your arrangement. Then you need something like this. If you can get your hands in one of these, please do. These are the normal size you can get them. I've got a big one. Look at how big this is. It's like twice the size. So they're exactly the same, except they're different sizes. And for the purpose of the video, I'm going to use a larger one because it's easier for you to see. When you got them, they usually come like that with a tube looking device in one end. But if you unscrew it, you should be able to find a needle in the other end. And so we'll be using the needle side. The needle can help to lift anything that is stuck in there. So what you do is basically get your needle through and you can flick it out. That's easy. Then you ask, what is the other side for? Well, the other side is a needle straightener. So you may come across your old Kenzan that your needle's not quite straight. And so you can use this to correct it. For example, the needle on the side here, I think there's one of these slightly bent. So I line up the hole with the needle that I want to correct, put it through, and then just move it, wiggle it back to the correct position. I think the one here is not straight. Again, pretty simple. Then your Kenzan was ready for use for next time. I think this needs a bit of a scrub. Here again, this is another one that has a lot of leaves in between it. It's really dirty, so I can use the comb. This comb to brush it off. See how all the dead leaves come off. Change it to the other side that has the needle, and I can easily just flick off the leaves. Pretty handy. So this is it. This is how I clean my Kenzans, and see you next time with more tips. Next time I hope to make a video, quick one, to show you how of what to do when you've lost this metal ring, plastic ring for your Kenzan. You can make one for yourself too. See you next time. I better clean up this mess. Bye.